Lain ng panahon diha. Are you okay, guys? It seems like you're not feeling well. Newly awake lang mo, no? No, si Mr. Hapay kay nagtanggal pa man siya sa iyang mga mute ha. Sige na, everyone, please open your camera. Sige na. Please follow instruction. Abrihin na inyong camera. Bahalag bago pa mo mata. Sige lang. Kung naghigda pa mo, nagtakilid mo, abrihi. It's okay. Sige lang. Klaro kayo ang mata ni Mr. Pastoriza nga bago pag ini siyang mata, oh. Pati si Vale, bago pa yung mata. Si Miss Malik na kasi eskwelahan Miss Malik. Murag naman kasi, wala di ay. Grabe si Mr. Normandy iyang sayaw last time sa GA, no? Makaingkog, wow. Amazing. Otro ha to, Mr. Ranyowa sa acquaintance, ha? Kamo ni Mr. Pastoriza, kuya ko ni Mr. Pastoriza, kabalo na imong papaana. Di ba, kabalo imong papaana, ha? Di ba, ako'y ginoo. Sige. Si Miss Hubas, already visible on my laptop. And then, who else? Miss Rios also is newly awake. Kakagising lang namin. Yeah. Parang si Miss Jana lang yung naka-prepare talaga, no? May lakad ka after this, Miss Jana, no? Kayo murang nakabihis.
Kayo, sir.
Murag
Nag-jacket lang ko, sir.
nag-jacket lang. Si Lim. Newly awake lang si Lim. Si Miss Gia also, no? Atong rapper, no? Si Andrew E natin, no? Si Mr. Andrew E, no? How about you, Miss Jalen? Are you okay na? Na okay na ka? Lain man to imong ginhawa last time.
Somehow, sir, okay na.
Okay. What is the diagnosis of the nurse?
Ano, sir, acute viral rhinitis and upper tract infection, bronchial
Okay.
asthma.
Okay. And then, okay. So we will just start after 2 minutes. Now I will just let you feel the presence of the online class. So by the way, we will conduct the high flex type of classes, no? There are weeks that we will meet synchronously, and then there are weeks also now we will conduct face-to-face classes, no? So high flex tayo. We're given the opportunity by the university to do either. Miss Magpayo, bago pa dyan pong mata. Naka-good morning, naka sa imong husband, Miss Magpayo. Wala pa. Sige lang. Ina nga nag-class pa manggod ko. Anaalang ko dayon niya.
Unya pa tong udto mata, sir. Oy.
Wala sana all kay nang mga inanan no kanang udto negosyante na Miss Magpayo, no. Basta mga negosyante. Udto
Dili,
na
sir,
mga
kanang work from home. Work from home,
okay.
sir. Ay, udto pa ingon kadlawon, mag-meeting.
Okay. Same na sa akong gi-applyan karon. Nga kuan, healthcare virtual assistance. We will start working 11 to 8 a.m. in the morning. It is US based, so honestly guys, so basin og this will be my last semester, no, for teaching muna. I will rest because it is a practical reason for me also na mag-uban mi sa akong asawa. Di mo gid siya ganahan og kanang layo nami. Ang gusto niya nga kanang mag-uban mi pero that's not final pa. No, it's up to the will of the Lord no unsa iyang gusto ipabuhat sa ako. So, di pa sure. So I think everyone is settled down. No? So yun. Okay, so let us pray first. No? Magpasalamat sa to sa Ginoo. Sa ngalan sumahan sa Anak, sa Espiritu Santo. Amen. Lord, thank you so much, Lord, for this day. Thank you so much, Lord, for this gift of life, for this morning, Lord, na we were able to awake, safe, healthy, Lord, and complete, Lord. Lord, as we begin our discussion today, may you send your Holy Spirit, no, intervene with our discussion so that whatever topic we will discuss, Lord, will be utilized in our practice and the students may able to appreciate what we have discussed. Always guide us, Lord. Always redirect us. Always correct us if we're wrong. And we are sorry, Lord, for the mistakes or sins committed towards sa imo, Lord, towards our neighbors, towards our parents, towards our classmates, our colleagues. And thank you, Lord, for everything. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. So once again, good morning. So today, we will discuss, no, we will continue discussing, no. Our topic this morning is the states of matter, no. So this is very essential topic for you guys to understand. By the way, is my PowerPoint visible to you? Makita ninyo?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much. So, our topic this morning is about states of matter, no. So, you already encounter these terms, no, since elementary, I think, or even in kinder, no, you are taught already what is matter, no. So matter, that is something exists, no, that occupies space, no. It has to do with a connection between a living things might be or a non-living things. Basta it exists, it occupies space, that is considered matter. Now, just like humans, no, states of matter also, or humans acts similar to matter, no. So just like us, no, persons, no. I'm talking about how are we going to communicate between other people, no. For example, if stranger for us, di ba? Siguro dili kayo na to siya matagad, no, kung di kayo na to kaila. So there is also a different treatment or communication if we know the person, especially on the range, no. Kung imo siyang best friend, di ba, suod kaayo mong duha. Especially if imo ang igsoon, suod kayo mong duha. Or kung example, kung nakay kaaway or nakay ka misunderstanding, no, imuhang uya ba ka ha, imuhang friend, di ba, there is a different treatment. Now, matter also or atoms act in the same manner. It's not on the side of kanang mag-away sila, but matter or atoms or elements have a bond that is classified differently, no. So the first topic under states of matter is the forces of attraction, no? So forces of attraction, how or in what way or in what classification atoms interact to each other, no, because the drugs, no, think of a drug, no? Think of the drug, na yung fate of the drug in our body will make a different attractions to the different parts of our body, no? So pag inom pa lang nato ana, moagi na siya sa ato ang ba. It depends on the dosage form. If it is oral drug, pag inom nimo ana, sa imuha pa lang daan, we have a route of administration there. We used to call that drug sublingual, no? So, example drug for sublingual are kaniyang the nitroglycerin. It is a drug indicated for those patient experiencing angina pectoris. Katong naay mga murag gitusok ang ilahang heart sa kasakit. So the pathophysiology behind ana is that there is a limited blood flow, no, sa imuhang body. In other words, no, pag inom pa lang nato sa tambal, it forms already a attraction or a chemical reaction sa mouth nato. Now, if those drugs other than sublingual, just like mga over-the-counter drugs, pag inom na to ana, muagi sa ato ang esophagus, muagi sa atong stomach, to intestine, to the kidney, to the liver, to the systemic circulation. Now, if you're going to what we call imagine, no? So ang inyohang tambal nga giinom daghan siya agianan, no? So what does it mean? Daghan pud siya makihalubilo nga part sa atong lawas. Now our concern is that how this drug will make interaction with those parts of our body. That is why prior to the discussion, no, of this subject, I gave you an overview about acid plus acid is equals to unionized, base plus base is equals to unionized, acid plus base is equals to ionized form, because that will serve as a general formula for the drugs in our body. For example, the aspirin drug, no? Asa man na siya ma-absorb sa imong lawas, so of course dito siya sa acidic environment, which is the stomach. For those bicarbonate drugs or base drugs, aluminum magnesium drugs, you are usually administered or absorbed mo na siya dito sa imuhang small intestine. Now that is why before tamo proceed, no, of the concrete example, what are those drugs? We need to understand first what are the types of forces of attraction. And you discussed this already in your chemistry. Pero dito sa inyong chemistry, tapahaw lang tong gihatag ni Ma'am Chali. And yung example nga gihatag dito sa inyo is that is an example of intramolecular attraction. There is a physical pharmacy. We will discuss both the intramolecular attraction and the intermolecular attraction. So example of the intramolecular attraction is the ionic bonding and the covalent bonding. What does it mean when we say intra? Diba kung sa school na atay ginatawag nga intramurals. Diba sa school, intramurals. What does it mean when we say intra or intramurals? It is an activity conducted within the school. Sa sulod sa eskwelahan, intended for Lycean students lang. So what does it mean with that? When we say intramolecular attraction or bonding, nagakahitabo ra pud na siya diha sulod sa isa ka atom. So there might be a transfer. When we say transfer, diba, that is an ionic bond. When we say sharing of electrons, that is equivalent bond. Now, diha lang ba kutob ang attraction? No. After mag-perform og intramolecular attraction, diba modako mangyud na ang isa ka bond. What does it mean? Mo expand. Ang chemical structure sa isa ka tambal. Now, you consider pa ba as a intramolecular if isa ka complex substance, another complex substance or another paracetamol interact each other, that is still intramolecular ba? No, that is intermolecular attraction na. That includes type of attraction, kisam, or dipole, no? In your chemistry, di ba, na-encounter niyo na the D-bi or the dipole-induced dipole or the London dispersion or the induced dipole-induced dipole. Those are types of attraction. Now, do not deviate your understanding. Now, gusto na ko ma-direct atong focus na ang ato ang paghisgutan diri karon are the types of attraction. For example, si Mr. Pastoriza na-attract siya kang Miss Alexis. Unsa man na siya nga type of attraction. Kung ato na siyang i-classify, inaniw nato na siya pag-relate para mas masabtan. Ang pananaw ba ni Mr. Nathaniel kang Miss Alexis, a friend ba? Ang pananaw ba ni Miss Alexis kang Nathaniel, iya ba siyang crush? Ang pananaw ba ni Miss Magpayo kang Miss Nathaniel, gwapa ba or gwapo? So, that's how also we classify attraction. No, inana pod ang chemical attraction o chemical bonding. It's not one point of perspective. Daghay klase-klase of attraction. No? So, I used to give that example para dili ta mawala kung unsay atong padulungan ani nga discussion. Okay? So, here it is. No? So there are two types of forces. No? Duha ka type of forces. When a atom, no, murag sort of this is a step-by-step process. First, mahitabo. Okay, first that will occur is the intramolecular forces. No? That is a bond between an atom to atom. For example, a hydrogen to a hydrogen is classified as intramolecular forces. Now, if hydrogen to hydrogen to hydrogen pag yun, intramolecular na. So, imagine that there is a complex or huge chemical structure of hydrogen, and then there is another chemical or huge structure of oxygen. So, dako nga hydrogen nga structure plus big oxygen structure dako, mag-attraction silang duha, that is already considered intermolecular. Now, I want to emphasize to you guys na naay tulo ka forces of attraction nga mahitabo sa mga chemicals. Una is transfer. In other words, in chemistry, what is transfer, no, of electrons? How do you term that? Diba? Gitudlo sa inyo ni Ma'am Chali nga, if there is a transfer of electrons, is that ionic or covalent? Diba? That is ionic. No? Next, if there is a sharing of electrons, nakig-share siya, that is covalent, right? Now, next is the attraction. What do we mean by attraction? Usually, let us go back, no? Let us review first the chemical structure, the anatomy of our atom. No? The anatomy of our atom, di ba? Inyo na ning nahibawan sa una pa lang. Usually, pag i-represent nato ang atom, mo drawing gitaw isa ka circle, right? Sakto. And ang middle sa ang atom na atay positive, na atay negative. Now, the characteristic of elements may differ or maglahi-lahi sila through the availability of the electrons. we have in our periodic table classified as noble gases. In other words, it is a type of element that is a non-polar. How do we define non-polar? Sometimes, no, we define non-polar as totally no charges, but dili na mao ang real definition sa non-polar. When we say non-polar, it has complete electrons on its outer shell that to the point there is no longer for that element to make attraction or a bond from other element because the electrons outer field niya is already fully occupied. Di ba? So, occupied na ang iyahang outer shell. So, kung maistorya pa lang nato si atom, unsa may indication ana? Siguro maingon siya, nganong makipag-form pamangkog attraction to the other element. Nga kontento naman ko. I have enough electrons in my outer shell. Di ba? Just like imagine ang magnet. Ang magnet, magpikit siya kung ang positive o ang negative magtungod. Right? So that's how the mechanism of action magnet works. Now, on non-polar substance also, it doesn't mean na fully filled na ang ilang electrons, dili na gid na sila makamake attraction. It is possible also to make attraction but mag-base na lang sa charges. Because always remember that atoms or elements is constantly moving. Permi na sila maglihok, 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 maglihok. Now, we classify this as non-polar. Di ba? Giingon na to non-polar. Kung non-polar siya, technically speaking, it will not make attractions to the other element. Kay itself, kompleto naman kog electrons. Why would I make attractions to the other element na I'm already enough, no? So, yun, no? So, gi-review ko lang first, no? Kay para dili ta ma-confuse. The anatomy of atom, there is a positive and then there is a negative here, no? So, yun. And then, so, di ba tapos naman tayo ani last time, no? Katong gipa-drawing gani na ko si Pastorisa. Tama ba?
Yes, sir. Tapos na.
Ay, sus, Ginoo. Hoy, Ginoo ko.
Yes, sir.
Habi na ko wala pa. So, tawa, nagbalik-balik na ko. So, let's jump na lang kinta na. Ako murag, na-remember galing na ko si Pastorisa nga akong ipa-drawing ani. No? So, at least man lang gi-review na to, no? So, yun. So, I think diri tataman, no? Diri tataman, no? Kadito nga slide,
Oo, sir.
no?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. So, yun, no? So, we classify the attraction sa duwa, intermolecular and intramolecular. Now, interactions are weak forces, no? Under van der Waals forces, na ha? So, review lang natin. We are talking na of intermolecular forces. Attraction between molecules, no? Between molecules na. Okay? So, under intermolecular forces of attraction, the interactions are weak forces that involves the dispersion of a charge across a molecule called dipole. No? So, tapos na po taan eh. Diba, when we say dipole, it is a form of having positive and negative at both ends, no? So, yun. And then, sabi dito, it relates to non-ionic interactions between, no? The keyword there is between, no, not within. Relates to the non-ionic interactions between molecules, yet they involve charge-to-charge interactions. What does it mean? Unsay pasabot ana, sir? No, when we say intermolecular attraction, there is no totally a transfer or share of electrons. Instead, there is only a attraction. There is only a attraction between a positive sign and a negative from one complex molecule to another complex molecule. For example, no? So let me draw. So this one, no? Kasi based on the definition, it is same like in an ionic fashion, but it's not totally same mechanism with that. Because what happened here is there is no transfer of electrons, there is no sharing of electrons, only attraction of the charges, no? So for example, this one, di ba? Kung when we say transfer or ionic, di ba? So okay, this is an example of intra, right? So para di kita malibog, no? Kung moingon tag intra, there are two types of bonding, right? Covalent and ionic. When we say covalent, nag-share na silang duha, meaning nag-overlap ang duha ka electrons, no? So I'm talking here about covalent pa. So this is covalent. Covalent, no? See the difference then, guys, ha? This is covalent, no? And when we say ionic bonding, no? Ionic bonding, no? For example, ang iyahang negative electrons diri is iyahang i-transfer diri sa pikas element, no? So ang electrons from one element is transferred to another element. So this is an example of intra, right? Now the intermolecular forces of attraction, ki-classify din nato na sila sa tulo ka klase. Mo na tong kisam dibay. Okay? So sa intermolecular, ang gakahitabo, ang general mechanism of action or unsay general nga gakahitabo is in anera. We have dipole, positive, negative. We have dipole, positive, negative. So what mechanism of happen occurs? There is only a attraction, no? Attraction of both opposite charges. There is no totally i-transfer pareha sa intramolecular nga naay covalent, which is a sharing of electrons, and we have here ionic, which is totally a transfer of electrons. Natanawan ninyo ang difference. Sa covalent nag-share, sa ionic nag-transfer. But what happened in intermolecular forces is that there is only a attraction of charges from a positive sign to a negative sign. Concrete example for this is yung magnet ninyo, no? Yung magnet, no? Kung itungod nimo ang positive ni magnet dito sa negative sa pikas magnet, di ba magdikit sila? Pero kung imo ang itungod ang parihong positive, mura siya og mo repulsion, no? Mura siya og mo, there is a force governed nga murag iana nimo ang magnet, mura siya og mo atras. And that is also the mechanism of intermolecular. Now for you guys to be not confused, step by step ang mahitabo ani. Una nga mahitabo kung mag-formulate ka or mag-synthesize ka og kini ang a compound, ang first jud mahitabo ana is intramolecular. Because first, there is a transfer or share of atoms. First is atoms to atoms. Mahimo man ang molecule, right? So molecule to molecule, that is still a intra. Pero pag a complex na, pero after a molecule form, that is a complex na dayon, dako na, huge. No? From a complex molecule to a complex molecule will form an attraction that is classified na as intermolecular because that is no longer within, but that is between molecules na dayon, no? So yun. So yun, no? So sabi diyan, relate to non-ionic interactions. Pero it involves charge to charge. No? So same with this. Wala siya transfer, wala siya sharing of electrons, but the forces of govern or occur is the attraction only. No? So first, there are three types, no? Na ay tulo ka mechanism or kani ang scenarios under intermolecular. First is the Kisam, no? Forces, followed by the Debye forces or the dipole or induced dipole, no? So tapos na tayo, no? Si Mr. Pastoriza ganitong ako ma-remember nag-answer ane. No? So yun. So let us define terms muna. So permanent or electric dipole moments can arise when a bonding occurs between elements of electron of differing electronegativities. No? So induced or temporary dipole moments are created when an external electric field distorts the electron clouds of a neutral molecule. No? So what does it mean when we say distorts? Matulog, 'di ba? Humans, matulog ta, 'di ba? Masuko ta og disturbohon. It's the same thing also in elements. There is an effect if we're going to disturb the electron arrangement of the specific atom, no? Mabag-o siya, no? Ma-reform. And then, so a permanent dipole, no? So in a permanent dipole, as illustrated by the peptide bond, no? So the electronegative oxygen draw a pair of electrons. So what happened here is that muna akong gimin, no? Sa inyo na this is an example already of a complex, no? If one complex, no, kani siya nga complex will form or makipag-bond to another complex na in ani gyapon ang chemical structure, that is no longer intra, but that is already inter. But try to observe ninyo guys, how the hydrogen make bonds to nitrogen, how the nitrogen make bonds to carbon, how the carbon make bonds to oxygen. Is that intermolecular? No, that is a type of intramolecular attraction. So una gyud mahitabo, before ka maka-make og complex molecule, ma-perform sa first ang intramolecular, intra, no? Si hydrogen iyang gi-share ang electrons to the nitrogen, si carbon nakig-share og electrons kay oxygen, so on and so forth. Pero if we talk about another complex structure nga inani gyapon, for example mag-draw ko double bond carbon, nitrogen, and then one hydrogen. Kung kani siya another complex structure will make an attraction to this, this is no longer intra. This is intermolecular. Okay? So I hope nga inyuhang na-gets. Okay? So, di ba, for example, no? There is a presentation of dipole, no? So in a chemical or in a complex molecule, na ay responsible for the negative sign, na ay responsible for the positive sign. So just like this, no? Si oxygen here is responsible for the negative sign or the negative charge. You might question, sir, bakit si hydrogen ang responsible for the negative sign? Because oxygen itself has a lone pair of electrons available. Naana siya duha ka electrons diha, no? Available. Now, what happens, sir? Si carbon di ay, sir. Ano di man si carbon? Now, the carbon itself is attract attracted to oxygen. Ang iyahang mga electrons ni carbon is already withdraw by the oxygen. Gikuha na ni oxygen ang iyahang electrons ni carbon. Sir, what if kung si nitrogen di ay, sir? No? So the electrons pod of nitrogen is attracted to the carbon. Ana siya ang mechanism of action. Now, sir, what happens di ay, sir? Dili di ay pwede nga si hydrogen, sir. Now, let us analyze. Let us use our knowledge gained before. Now, kung si hydrogen inyong gamiton, okay, I have a question. Pila ka buk electrons ni hydrogen? Please comment below. Pila ka buk electrons ni hydrogen? Please comment below. 1. Very good. 1. Isa ra. So, unsay mahitabo, ang iyahang electrons ni hydrogen, gikawat pod ni nitrogen. Now, let us go back to the anatomy of atom. No? Diba? The anatomy of our atom is drawing on. Para masabtan ninyo nganong nahimong positive si hydrogen. Okay. Inani ang inga kahitabuan na, guys. Diba, circle? Ingon mo, isara ang electrons ni hydrogen. Now, the anatomy of a atom is naagina siya positive sa tunga. That is called the protons, right? So, naa din siya isa ka electrons. Now, based sa akong giingon, ang electrons ni hydrogen is attracted or gain, gikuha ni nitrogen. So, in other words, unsay mahitabo is that ang kaning electrons niya naa ni didto kay nitrogen. Dito na nakapadulong ang nitrogen. So, what happened to the anatomy of hydrogen? The negative electrons is attracted to nitrogen, then ang positive sign ni hydrogen is free. Meaning, gikuha man niya akong electrons. Dito man niya gipa-attract sa pikas element which is a nitrogen. So free ang proton ni hydrogen to interact with the another molecule. No? So that is the mechanism of action. That is why in ana ma-form ang dipole. No? Negative sign dire si oxygen ang responsible ana. Because always inyo timan guys, the mechanism of action or the life of atom is very easy to understand lang yun na. As long as you know the availability of their electrons. Because diha man na mag-base kung unsay characteristic nila. That is why gani, kung i-drawing nato ang tubig, no? I-drawing nato ang chemical structure sa water, classified na siya as dipole. Nganong ang tubig maka-question mo, no? Aside sa inyong nasabtan nga polar lang, no? Kung polar unsa man di ay definition pa behind anak kung polar. I'm talking about what? I'm talking about how, not what. Yung kung polar lang, kung ano man ay kung polar, unsa man ay naas polar. Muna'y dakong pangutana ba? Nga, kung i-drawing nato ang chemical structure sa tubig, di ba anak na siya? Anak man na siya. Then, diri duha ka lone pair sa oxygen. No, H2O. No, duha ka hydrogen, isa ka oxygen. Dira plus. No? Ang ilahang electrons ani tuwa na dito kay oxygen. Ang electrons pod aning isa ka hydrogen tuwa na dito kay oxygen. Now always remember sa kinabuhi partner gyud ta always. Na ganit tay asawa, natay bana, is the same thing also in an element or atom. That is why na ay proton, gimugna tas Ginoo nga naagit tay kauban pirmi. Even the charges in an element naagi na siya kauban permi. Now karon, what happened is that ang normal gid nga kahitabo ana, di ba, ang mga electrons, no? Naman tay outer shell. Ang imuhang protons, makig-make gina siya og attraction sa imuhang electrons. Now ang problema karon kay miski ang mga elements di man kontento sa ilahang partner, mangita pa jud laing electrons didto na nila pangitaon sa ubang elemento or elements. Now unsay mahitabo diri karon? Ang naa sa imuhang hydrogen na manay proton, daw bi karon kay gikawat man ni oxygen ang iyahang electrons, gikuha man niya. Di unsa may na-feel ni hydrogen, wala naman ko electrons. Adi makipag-form kog attraction sa uban because iyahang positive sign here will capable of attracting to the another molecule nga naay electrons sa outer shell. That is why giingon diri sa definition ganina nga when an external electric field distort, unsay pasabot anang distort, kung kaning positive sign niya natungod na dito na align sa negative sign dito sa Picas molecule or electrons, maka-form dayon na og partial attraction. That is why ang tubig is classified as a universal solvent or polar. Ngano? Because kaya niya tunawon. Enough ba ang term nga gamiton tunawon? No. Kaya niya, in scientific term, kaya or the water itself has the ability to perform attraction to the different molecules or elements. Ngano? Because polar siya. Bakante si hydrogen dire kay bakante si positive sign because gikuha man ni hydrogen. Bakante si positive dire kay gikuha ni hydrogen plus napay lone pair dire kaning negative dire, positive dire. So kung imuha ng i-draw, that is a dipole. Ang responsible for the positive charge is si hydrogen, ang responsible for the negative charge is si oxygen, no? So that is why your water is classified as polar. Because silang mga elements, di sila kontento silang self. And that is how God make, no, this earth, no? Amazing kayo, no? Itang tanan, no? Miski pagwa na tao si Adan ug si Eva, ang elements pa lang daan nga nagsuroy-suroy, ang tubig pa lang nga nagsuroy, nagdagundon dito nga bisag wa pa na tao si Adan si Eva, already classified as dili kontento sa ilang self ang mga elements. Kay kulangan man sila, kulang kog electrons, dito ko kuha. So that is the mechanism of action. Because of their kini ang unsatisfaction of their self, kaya dayon niya makipag-make og attraction to the other elements. I hope you get my point, no? How chemicals or elements make chemical reaction. Kana na dayong mahimo nga precipitation, etc., that is already a product na dayon, no, of those chemical attraction happen. And then if you're going to ask, unsa may reason nga nung na-precipitate? Because of those electrons might be, or elements na unfilled silang electrons, kulang. Kung iyang i-share dito, ang iyang electrons, dahil nag-form sila og chemical bond, might be the result is precipitate. Or in other words, kung ang salt ibutang nimo og tubig, ngano siyang matunaw? Because water itself has a positive charge, negative charge, and then the NaCl will be broken because the sodium is positive, the chloride is negative. Ang positive ni nitrogen will attracted to the lone pair of oxygen. The chloride negative or the negative sign of chloride will be attracted to the hydrogen. So what happened? Ma-break ang bonds. So it's all because of attraction. No, it's all because of attraction. It's all because of unsatisfaction of elements or of electrons field sa ato ang outer shell. So if you're going to ask further pagid for that, no, so that is already beyond of our standing. No, Ginoo nay nasayod nganong gihimo niya nga dili kontento ning mga elements, no? So we can no longer answer that, no? Katuna ng mga brights tanang brighta, no? But our point here is that we know the basics of how these chemicals or elements form. Mura man ay gitudlo sa ato sa eskwelahan, di ba? Pag eskwela yung inorganic chemistry, gitudlo raman kung si hydrogen magband sa or si the sodium will bind to chloride, kung mag-uban sila pila electrons, di ba? Ionic ana ra. Ihapon ra dai ninyo then i-balance. No, di ba? That's the point. Dayon kung duha ka element o two elements bond to a one element, what is that? Single displacement or mapulian double displacement. No, so it's all about the technical process. Pero mas dapat masabtan nato ngano man gyud ni siyang nahitabo giunsa dili kay unsa. Question is how, no? So I hope nakuha ninyo akong gusto nga ipasabot. Okay? So that is why, no? The steps of making a complex molecule is dili gina siya magsugod diretso sa inter. It will start in intramolecular. Unsay bonds? Okay, please comment below. What attraction or bond or forces is under intra gani? Di ba there are two? Please comment below. What are the type or forces of attraction, no, under intramolecular? Please comment below. Di ba naaman to'y duha? Sige, please comment ionic and covalent. Very good. Very good kayo inyong nakuha, no? Muna yung basic ninyo nga dapat ninyong matun-an. Muna yung pinaka-importante nga dili kay complicated na kayong isa ka topic, daghan kay mo na-discuss, daghan kay PowerPoint inyong na-discuss, pero wa man daya po ninyong tun-e. No, muna say point, no? Bahala pang magbilin ta direct isa ka slide, isa ka oras, importante inyuha siyang nasabtan. Bahala pag isa ka slide 2 hours, importante inyuhang nasabtan unsay buot niyang ipasabot. Because that knowledge, that understanding will serve as a building block. Maon ra nay kana ang kanang process na masabtan nimo ning gamay, di ba? That will serve as a building blocks. Because of this little knowledge, magpatong-patong na nasabtan nimo, nasabtan, bahalag hinay, basta kay kanunay. Bahalag ginagmay, bahalag tinamban nga pagsabot, nasabtan ko ni, nasabtan ko ni, nasabtan ko ni. Compare to jump into complex topic, pag-abot, bang, wa day po makuha sa bata ang principle sa topic. Because the method of questioning in physical pharmacy in the board exam is not objective, it's analysis. For example, tagaan ta mo concrete ng example. Moingon mo question ko karon og di ba paresang pangutana, what are the two types of forces under intramolecular? So of course you will answer ionic and covalent. Now iingon man dito sa board exam nga it is a type of bond, example sodium and chloride, or argon to argon, or water or oxygen to hydrogen. Na daw bi karon kay imo ra man yung na-memorize kay ionic covalent, wa man gid ka makasabot kung say explanation behind ionic covalent, di ba? That really matters. If metal to non-metal, metal to metal, no? So what if is sodium to chloride? What type of bond is that? Ionic covalent. Of course it is ionic because it involves two ions. There is a transfer or share of electrons. What bond is governed between oxygen to water? They are both non-metals. So that is a covalent bond. Inanaon pag-question sa board exam. Dili kay ipapangka nila diretsong answer. They will give a scenario or situation. No? So yun. So on this example, this one, no? This is a dipole. On this presentation, the responsible for the negative sign is the oxygen. And then ang imuhang positive is the hydrogen. Now, gidrawing dayon na siya into a general presentation, mao na dayon siya. No? Dire si oxygen, dire si hydrogen. That is, we call it dipole. pole, no? So yun. Next is that the examples na dayon, no? The examples. Now, ang intermolecular, no? Do not deviate your what we call this focus, ha? Ang intermolecular attraction ra gyud naa sa ila, guys. Attraction only, walay transfer of electrons, walay sharing of electrons. Attraction ra gyud. Kung maglisod pa mo imagine unsay attraction, imagine ninyo ng magnet. Imagine niyo ng magnet sa ref. Imagine niyo ng magnet nga dulaan. Naabay totally nabuak ang magnet then gipikit dito. Wala. Imo lang nang ana ang magnet, di ba? You feel energy. Naay energy, no? Kung timingan nga magtungod ang positive ug negative, mag-ana na silang duha. Pero both positive sign align, di ba? There is repulsion. There is a repulsion. Now, if you're going to analyze that, duha ka magnet, duha ka magnet. So, questioning ka, kaning isa ka magnet, unsa ka ni siya made of? Kaning isa ka magnet, unsa ka ni siya made of? So, dito na din mo na i-analyze microscopically, unsa ba na made of ang one magnet? Is it hydrogen, oxygen ba, etc. Hangtod nga, because of those intramolecular forces of attraction, nakamake din kag isa ka magnet. Plus, another intramolecular forces of attraction, nakamake kag isa ka magnet. Now, duha na ka magnet. Now, imo ang ipagduol ang duha ka magnet, is that still intra? No, inter na lang. Unsa may naa silang duha? Attraction only. Okay? So, that is the intermolecular. I-classify dayon nato na siya into kung ang bonds ba nahitabo is a dipole to dipole. Other terms pala for dipole is polar. Other terms for dipole is polar and then non-polar. So what happened in Kisam forces? No? Kung sa'yo kahitabo sa Kisam forces. Kisam forces or dipole. In other words, na ay duha ka polar substance nga nag-make og attraction. So the permanent dipoles interact with one another in an ion-like fashion. No? Giingon da in an ion-like fashion, wag it stay there na transfer or share, but it stays there ion-like, kapareho og mechanism of action sa ion. Pero it is not transfer, it is not sharing, but is only attraction. Now try galit ninyo observe ang presentation, no? There are two dipoles presented, positive here, negative here, positive here, negative here. Unsa inyong observation ani nga presentation? Unsa inyong observation below? Sige, please comment below. Unsa lang inyong observation? Kung naa mo'y observation, unsa na-observe ninyo sa sign in terms of sign? Pwede niyo bisayon ninyong answer. Unsa inyong observation? Sige, please comment below. What is your observation? What are your observations anyway? Unsay observations ninyo? Sige, please comment below. Same silag sign, no? Same ba silag sign? What happened to the sign? Unsay nahitabo sa sign nila? Tan-awa gani, asa na tungod? Asa na tungod si positive, asa na tungod si negative? Pareha ba nagtungod positive, negative? Yes or no? Nagtungod ba si positive o negative? Yes. According kay Miss Hubas, nagtungod si positive o negative. No? Tanawan ninyo. Oh. Na-align si positive to negative. So, unsa may naa sa ila? Imagine na sa dayon, magnet. Unsay naa sa magnet? Attraction. No? So, attraction. Yes, according to Mr. Pastoriza, positive and negative leads to attraction. Oh, very good. Very good. Muna yung kung gusto nga masabtan ninyo. No? Giunsa. Nagunsa sila. Ngano man silang gi-classify. And then, why is it dipole? Unsa ganito yung reason? Because dipole is also known as, please comment below, polar. Diha day nato sila gi-classify, ladies and gentlemen. Mo day nang gi-classify nato sila. Mo nay basihan dayon nato on classifying them if it is Kisam, Dibay, or London. Because sa Kisam, timan-in ninyo because in Kisam, it is all polar that interacts. Polar si isa ka molecule, polar si isa ka molecule. Duha ka polar nakipag attraction, no? So, however, because the charges are partial, the strength of the bonding is weaker. Now, always ninyo i-remember, guys, nga ang intermolecular itself, weak na sila nga bond tanan. Halos sa sila tanan, weak na gid na sila. Pero, under pa yun sa intermolecular, i-classify pa yun nato na sila. Kinsay pinaka-weak among the three? Kisam, Dibay, or London. Which among those three bonds or forces of attraction is weaker? Intermolecular itself, no? In general, weak bonds na siya. Pero na may tulo under sa intermolecular, i-classify pag yun nato ng which among those forces is weaker, no? So, si Kisam ang dili ang pinaka-weak under intermolecular. So, large groups of molecules may be associated through weak attraction, no? So, this is an example of Kisam interaction, no? Si HCl to HCl. Now, I want you to take note for this, di ba? Isa ka HCl, isa ka HCl, isa ka HCl. What type of attraction is that? Isa ka HCl nag-attract to each other, isa ka HCl attract to each other. What type of attraction is that? Intra or inter? Please type your answers. Intra or inter? Inter. Sus, pagka-bright tag ninyo. Bright di kayo mo. O buyag. No, bright di kayo mo. Na ako next pangutana. Okay, kanay ako pangutana. Hydrogen to chloride. Hydrogen bond to chloride. Unsa man na siya nga bond? Intra-inter. Intra or inter? Intra. Sus, pagka-bright kayo ninyo. Very good, no? Very good, no? Bright kayo mo. Okay, so that's the point, no? That's how we classify attraction. That is forces of attraction. Dili siya kay isa ra ka klase, no? Very good, bright kayo mo. Okay? So, the hydrogen here is responsible for the positive sign. Ngano man, question na po din. Ngano man? Because simply, isa ra iyang electrons, gikuha pa yun ni chloride, dito akang chloride, nahimo siyang not nahimo siya, but nabakante ang iyahang proton kay wa na may ka-attraction sa iyang proton kay si hydrogen lagi grabe ka marupok. Bisag di siya kontentong isara. Iya pa yung gihatag dito. Labo na iyang positive. Gihatag pa dito sa chloride. Di nabakante ang iyahang positive sign, no? So, si positive sign, kung to si example, yang bana lugar kay si electrons, iyang bana to dito na si ang asawa mo'y positive sign, diri ko mga atong kinsay makipag-attract nako. Ano, mura na scenario ba? No? So, it is just a matter na dayon of geometrical arrangement. That is why this is termed physical pharmacy. Physical meaning geometry. Physics, unsay plastar. Kung akong negative dito na tungod positive, di of course, nakoy attraction, no? So that is why pangalan ng subject ka physical pharmacy, no? We will always incorporate physics, arrangement, quantity, no? Unsa may geometrical position ng inani, ana. Okay? So, yon, no? So both this polar, so kisang, no? Next is the Debye, no? Si Debye, it is a force of attraction, no? Shows the ability of the permanent dipole to polarize a charge in a neighboring molecule, no? So, this is also a unique example, no? The attraction between Debye, always ninyo, para dili ta ma-confuse, it is attraction between polar to non-polar, no? So, that is Debye. Polar, nakipag-attract to a non-polar. Okay. Sir, how? Questionin, how? Yun sa man, sir. Explain, sir. Okay. How? For example, water. Di ba? This is water. Patay guys, nag-aso akong laptop. So man eh. Nagkuhan siya init. Sabi na ko nag-aso. Wala di ay. Okay. So hydrogen. No, example, this is water. Water is classified as polar, right? And then for example, we will bond it with a argon. No? Argon is a noble gas, no? Argon. Okay. Noble gases are classified as what? No, unsa yung understanding on molecule of noble gases? They are classified as unsa mga noble gases? Sige, characteristics sa inyong noble gases, please type below. Unsa inyong ma-remember nga characteristics sa inyong noble gases? Stable, very good. Stable, correct si Miss Malik. Aside from stable, unsa pa man? Stable. Aside from that, mga noble gases, aside from stable, yes, correct, stable sila. Aside from that, unsa pa? Non-polar, very good, correct. Non-polar, unsa pa gyud? Napay isa ka term nga akong gihulatan. Or duha ka term akong gihulatan. Nagsugod sa letter I o sa letter U. Duha ka word kulang sa inyong answer. Stable, non-polar, napay nag-word nga nagsugod sa letter I. Napay nagsugod sa word nga letter U. Sige, ansire. Duha na lang. Sige, tagna lang. Usa ka ha? Yes, inert. Inert. No? Inert. No? Inert. Very good. Inert. No? Isa na lang. Nagsugod sa letter U. Isa na lang. Usa ka ha? Nagsugod sa letter U. Sige, tagna na po. Nakatagna mga mo. Inert. Sige, isa na lang. Nagsugod sa letter U. No? You had night. Charang. Sige, nagsugod sa letter U. O, sumpay na to. Na ay UN. Unreactive. No? Yun. No? So, mahilig kay Musclo ba? Okay, very good. Argon or noble gases are classified as stable based on electrons. They are also inert, meaning di sila or pure, no? They are also unreactive, no? Unreactive. And then, sa patuloy yung giingon, non-polar. Actually, those four terms or words are synonyms lang. Synonymous lang to sila. Parihara sila gusto ipasabot. Now, let us go back. No, let us define, no? For example, this is a geometrical position, no? Example, kana siya. Okay, focus gamay ha. Dali ra ni paspaso na to ni para direct to the point ha. Kung moingon tag polar, natay positive, natay negative. Pareha ani, di ba, sa water, no? So sabta naman ninyo nga ang electrons ni hydrogen gikuha ni oxygen. Dayon si oxygen naa say duha ka lone pair dire. That is responsible for sa utrohon akong drawing, no? So kana siya. No? Positive dire ang nagresponsible ana si hydrogen, ang negative dire responsible ana si oxygen. Now, the noble gases or the non-polar substance based on its definition of characteristics, di ba sama sa giingon, they are satisfied with themselves, no? Satisfied na sila sa ilang selves. What does it mean, sir? Kung iko si Argon karon, interviewon ko ninyo, maingon ko, my name is Argon, I am a noble gas, I am unreactive, I am non-polar, I am stable. Pero, diha na dahil ni mo mapangutan-an, how long is the argon unstable? Di ba siya kaya tintalon sa mga polar nga substance? Mao na nay dakong pangutana na dayon, no? So, anatomically, ang position, di ba, sa isa ka atom is animan, ana. Okay, let us assume si argon filled na iyang outer shell, no? Kontento na jud ko, bahala jud mo diha, mga bahala pag gwapa mo, bahala pag mga gwapo mo. Di jud ko ma-attract sa inyo. Ana lugar si argon. Daw be karon kay base sa atong definition. Naa man induce dipole are moments created when an external electric field distorts, kung say pasabot sa distorts, kung sa kinabuhi pa nato, kanang kontento na unta si Pastorisa o iyang uyab daw kay na may giabot lain. Gi-distort sila. Gi-disturbo. Unsay gihimo? Gigubot-gubot ang ilahang kinabuhi. Kay gusto ilugon si Mr. Pastorisa kay gwapa kay siya. No? Ana lugar ang senaryo. It's the same thing happens also in these noble gases or non-polar. It is classified as stable because electrically or based on electrons, field naman ko, dili na ako kinahanglan ni new electrons. Daw be karon kay physics lagi, no? So this induced dipole na dayon will arise, no? Kani siya ang definition, di ba? Dipole induce. Unsay other term for induce based sa atong definition? Distort. Gigubot. Iyang gigubot ang kinabuhi ni argon. Tanawa karon. Di pagkagubot sa kinabuhi ni argon, nakahimo dayon si argon o dipole. So that is why the presentation here, tanawa ninyo, na ay positive sign, then iyahang partner una, wa pa'y positive sign or negative sign. Wa pa, di ba, blanco? Pag abot na yun sa induction, na anay positive sign, na ana dayon, positive sign o negative sign si isa ka molecule. No? Question dayon. Unsa man din nahitabo, sir? It's simply the geometrical position of the noble gas or the argon. Ang iyahang positive sign, di ba, unsa yung giingon kanina, molecules or elements are constantly, unsa to ang gi-mention? Please comment below. Molecules or elements are constantly what? Moving. Siglihok. Mga lingasan. Sikiglihok. Di kayo mutang sige rag likaw-likaw. Sige lihok-lihok. Daw be karon kay ang iyahang positive na align man dire sa negative. Patay. Di. Sa may nahitabo. Kung positive and negative, unsa to yung answer ni Mr. Pastorisa kanina? Unsa to yung answer kanina, Mr. Pastorisa? Kung magtungod si positive o si negative na ay attraction. Adi, unsa may nahitabo, na-induce og dipole, nabuhatan og attraction. Dayon karon, ang iya pong negative ani ni argon natunong na pod. Sa skelihukan man kay tanan. Di naka-induce na pod og attraction. So that's how is the biforces or the dipole induce. Tungod wala unta to siya, pero because of the word distorts, sus kanay gyud lagi si polar substance, no? Iyang gigubot ang kinabuhi sa isa ka stable nga element, no? Hanggang saan ba ang iyong kaya sa tawag ano? Hanggang saan ba ang iyong kaya na magpaka tawag na kanang sa opposite anang marupok gani sa Tagalog opposite ana guys kanang sa salida man sa ano ay how long will you stay ano sa English ana guys i-comment sabi di mo ko kahimutang ana ganing kanang unsa ka strong no nga dili ka ma-tempt no parang ganun ba no sa salida man ako na nakita no so yun no so na distort ang arrangement ni argon no so that leads to the attraction no so very basic lang no simple kay sabto no so ito na yung concrete example no so let us read na lang the definition no so in non-polar molecules no approaches a polar molecule no giduol man siya ang non-polar, so katul po din is non-polar. The dipole induced the non-polar molecule. Di. Sige lingas, di to ara natungod induce negative sign positive. Naka-form din silang attraction. So permanent dipoles are capable of inducing an electric dipole in non-polar molecules which are easily polarizable. No? So, yung example natin dyan is this one. No? This is argon. no? So may positive and negative. Now, the positive sign here and the negative sign here is no longer responsible just like this, nga naay hydrogen, naay chloride. Ang responsible na dayon dire sa ilahang charges, the positive sign is for the proton, the negative sign is the electrons in the outer shell, no? So na-align, okay, constantly moving man, no? So that's how also drug works in our body, no? Because kung inyong unahon drugs are synthetic. Kung sa may pasabot kung synthetic, guys, they are made up of, okay, when we say synthetic, asa sila made of? Please comment below. If they are synthetic, they are made of, sige, please comment below. Wala, nawa naman siguro mo. Napap mo. Nawala ko? Hey. OMG. OMG. Hello. Hey. Badunggan ko.
Yes,
Ginoo
sir.
ko. Napaday. Okay, no? So they are artificially made. So unsa man sila made of, no? Kung ato pag yung kana inyong giingon artificially made of, they are made of what pag yun? Sige, please comment below. Made of, kung may tag synthetic, they are made of, sige, may tag synthetic, they are made of, let the plants. They are made of chemicals, no? They are made of chemicals. Sige, extract pag nato. Kung chemical sila, unsa man na sila, they are made of atoms. Grabe. They are made of atoms, no? Synthesized, they are made of atoms, no? So in general, kung ang tambal made up of atoms, syempre inani po na sila makipag-interact dito sa lawas, no? Do you believe that we are all made up of atoms, right? Di ba? Nagtuo man mo nga kitang tanan tao diri sa kalibutan made up of atoms, no? So, yun. And then lastly, no, the London dispersion. No, last na lang ni guys, no. So last is the London forces. So simply ang London forces lang is a non-polar to a non-polar, no? So non-polar to non-polar. So observe ninyo. No charges yet, no? Until such time there is an induction. What do we mean by induction, guys? Unsay other term for induce? Unsay ito tong nagsugod sa letter D? Distort. Okay. Unsay Bisaya sa distort? Para mas di malimtan. Unsay Bisaya sa distort? Nagkagubot, gigubot, gisinamok. Gisinamok. Iyang gisinamok ang kinabuhi. Okay. In what? Ngano gani? Sa unsang pamaagi nganong naka-induce? Aside from gidistort because of their arrangement. No? Nag-arrange yan. Randomly moving, natungod ang positive to negative. No? So, muna yung mahitabo. No? So, at least, nanamoy gamay realization na dayon. Okay. So, acidic drug will make into the environment of acidic environment. Well, and then, attraction made there is because of charges man yapon. So, polar to what we call this, unionized or non-polar to non-polar is ionized form. So, absorb or induce. So, makunik-kunik na dayon ninyo na. No? Yun. So, wrap up ta kay na para ba mo lab activity. No? So, London dispersion force is the weakest intermolecular force. No? Di ba nang-ingon ko ganina? The intermolecular itself is the weakest. But we classify weakest pag yun under intermolecular. Ang pinaka-weakest is si London. No? London dispersion. So, results when the electrons of the two adjacent. No? Sabtan ninyo ni guys. Results when the electrons of the two adjacent atoms occupy position that make the atoms form temporary dipole. So kung bisayaon nato na, siyempre nagtungod lang si positive o negative sa pikas nga element or atoms. Naka-induce dipole. No? So because of the constant motion of the electrons, an atom or molecule can develop temporary instantaneous dipole when its electrons are distributed unsymmetrically about the nucleus. Unsay pasabot unsymmetrically? Dili siya symmetrical ang sign. Iyang positive sa PCAS dito natungod sa negative sa PCAS. The negative of the PCAS dito sa positive sa PCAS. All right, no? So increases with contact area, polarizability and molecular size. So this is an example of two. Okay, guess ninyo unsa ni nga element? What element is this? Sige, tagnaan ninyo unsa nga element. Comment below. Tagnaa gyud no. Guess what element is that? Sige, comment below. Sige, comment below. No, that is not oxygen. Tanaw ko ni 2 plus. What is that? What is that? No, isar man ang electron sa hydrogen, duha man na. What is that? That is helium. That is helium, no? Ayan. Okay, no? So that is helium, no? 2 electrons, no? 2 plus. That is helium. So yun. So another example is burag sub-example na ni sila. Sub-inter na ni sila, sub-inter. So ion dipole, no? So same lang ang principle. An ion, no? 'Di ba when we say ion, it is an element nga naa na siya charge, no? It is just a matter of terminology. No, kung mingon tag element, so musulat lang kadyang N. Pero kung mingon kag ionic state nga nitrogen, siyempre na siya N+, no? Or ionic state of element nga sodium, so Na+, no? In other words, na charge, no? So ion to a dipole, no? So ion to a dipole attraction. And then we have ion also in those dipoles. So same lang gyapon nga mechanism of action. An ion itself, no? An ion or a single element nung nga naay siya charge, naka-induce siya og dipole. So just like here the Fe2+, no? No? Fe2+, naka-induce siya og dipole. And then the most important bonding in our lives is the hydrogen bonding. If there is no hydrogen bonding, might be we don't look like this. Siguro we're so much, siguro what I nose, what I ears, what I mouth, what I tooth, no? So because of hydrogen bonding, no, because of the work of God, no, nga nasa hydrogen bonding, so nakopya nato ang likeness and image of our God, no, or Jesus, no? So natay gwapo nga itsura. So because of hydrogen bonding, because look at your DNA structure. Tanawa ninyong DNA, tanawa nato yung DNA, oh, tanawa inyong DNA. Atong isom gamay, no? So tanawa inyong DNA, no? Most of the bonds here are hydrogen bonding, hydrogen bonding, hydrogen bonding, hydrogen bonding, hydrogen bonding, hydrogen bonding. Yan, no? Majority of the bonds in the DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is hydrogen, no? So importante kay na siya for our appearance, not just our appearance, for our body process, etc. So imagine if there is no hydrogen bonding. So we don't know also basin day pwede pod ang oxygen bonding. Pero we exist in this way naman, no? So we cannot alter. Kung inyo na nang alteron inyong DNA, imo ninyo ng phosphorus or not nitrogen, siguro dili na mo tao, mutant na din ta, nanay powers, no? So muna mga X-Men, no? Mga inana. There is a mutation, mutant sila. There is a mutation in their genes. Base ng ilang hydrogen bond, gipulihan o calcium bond, no? So nanay sila power nga dako kayo or si Hulk, no? So mga ganun ba? Na-relate na din sa Avengers, no? So, yun. I think that's all. Our next is this one, no? One of my favorite topic also to discuss is the phase diagram. Bakit may ulan? Bakit may vaporization? Why is it that kung magsakay mo sakyanan, kung init ang sulod sa aircon, example, kung puno mo sa isa ka service, dayon, hinay inyong aircon, dayon bugnaw kay sa gawas, nag-uwan. Example ha, nag-ulan sa gawas. Dayon, as in tugnaw kay sa gawas, and then namo sulod sakyanan. So puno ang sakyanan, dayon inyong aircon naka-3 pero nganong nag-moist ang inyong windshield. No? Na-question mo, ano man yung nag-moist among windshield? That is condensation process, no? So, a gas turns into liquid, no? How kaya, sir? Because of the temperature. So, that is phase diagram, no? And then it's because of the pressure, the temperature, no? So, nindot Japan nga topic. Nga gabi, gagawas gini pero may board exam, way pakyas ni. Gawas ni pero may phase diagram, no? So, thank you so much guys for listening, no? So, even though medyo taas-taas, no? Atong kuan, namahaw na ba mo? Feel na ko gutom na mo. Namahaw na mo? Wala pa no kay pagmata ninyo mo ito pagklase nato. Namahaw na mo? Kay kung wala pa papamahawon sa tamo, aya ta maglab, no? So, isa ra man ang wa mamahaw, so the rest will do the activity kasi Malik ra man wa mamahaw. Ikaw lang mamahaw Malik ha. Namahaw na bang uban? Ah, wala pa di ay. Ah, naara man gani di ay na, wala pa. Wala pa, sir. So, our activity laboratory is please make, no? Okay, magluto pa. Sige, I'll give you time. Okay, paminaw lang sa mo sa inyong buhaton, ha? I will upload in your Google Classroom the 6th edition of the Physical Pharmacy book. I-upload na ko sa inyong classroom ang 6th edition sa Physical Pharmacy nga book. Okay, unsa inyong buhaton? Please make a summary of the chapter 2, states of matter. Just extract the very important key points, no? Kato ra mga importante sa chapter 2. And then what will you do? Isulat ninyo sa yellow paper, write in a yellow paper, and then after that, take a picture of your summary and then turn in. Kano sa inyo i-turn in? Unya na sa deadline alas 11 or 11:59 a.m. in the evening. Kaya basi na pa mo ibuhaton, ha? So, okay? Okay. Okay, so without further discussion, thank you so much guys and be safe. Mag-amping mo kanunay ha, kay hapit na ang pista sa Cagayan. My suggestion to you guys as inyong magulang o receive inyong kuya, ayaw kayo mo pag-adto sa mga crowded nga place, no? Ulatin ninyo nga mag-acquaintance ta kay natay panahon sa paglipay-lipay. Ayaw kayo magtipo karon kay pista delikado ang simba ko mga bomba, mga tulis. Basta ayaw mo kayo mag-adto sa mga daghang taong lugar, no? Pag-focus lang sa mo sa inyong study, night time sa atong lipay-lipay which is karong acquaintance party, ha? Okay, so thank you so much and bye-bye. Okay, have a good morning. Blessed morning.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir. Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.